Most people rely on smartphone apps to pass the time, but your iPhone or Android wasn't built for gaming. These handheld game consoles are, and they make for a great distraction. They have better battery life, actual buttons, and tons of games that can keep you occupied for hours. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best handheld gaming consoles you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. GPD Win 3. GPD Win 3 is a full-fledged PC that fits into the palms of your hands as if it was a portable game console. It seeks to bring that handheld experience over to us PC gamers, and after 3 iterations, the technology in it is now powerful enough to fulfill that promise. The handheld console features an 11th generation Intel i7 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics, with 16 GB of RAM and the Windows 10 operating system. You get the same performance as a gaming PC and have 5 times AI computing power compared to the previous generation. The main attraction of GPD Win 3 is its sliding screen. The hip 5.5-inch display shifts to reveal a fully functional manual keyboard under it. This is in addition to all controller buttons and the 2 rear buttons. With a white backlight that makes the keyboard be seen even in the dark, a vibration function motor is added, and there will be vibration prompts when the fingers touch the key. The device lasts up to 3 hours with a fully charged battery. Number 4. Machinima Aya Neo. Aya Neo is the first in the world to equip a handheld game console with the 7nm AMD Ryzen APU, delivering unmatched gaming performance with such a form factor. It's a great concept to have a handheld device with the latest Ryzen processor. With the cutting-edge Ryzen 5 4500U processor, a 6-core processor with 4.0 GHz max turbo frequency, Aya Neo is a powerhouse. It handles demanding games with ease. With 50% more cores than the previous generation and competition, the hexa-core design also ensures great multitasking performance. The device also has 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB NVMe SSD. Aya Neo provides you not only with a smooth gaming experience, but also a fast loading time. The controller has all the basic buttons and orientations that add depth to the game. All power generated by the system is used by a bright wide color gamut 7-inch screen. The display resolution of Aya Neo is HD, and these handheld game consoles have a large battery that can be played for up to 3 hours. The speakers are not up to date, but you have the option of connecting headphones. Number 3. OneXPlayer. OneNetbook's OneXPlayer is a handheld computer designed for gaming. This is the latest product of OneNetbook's small computer, but so far Chinese companies have focused on mini laptops, which are small clamshell computers with built-in keyboards. OneXPlayer replaces the integrated keyboard with built-in game controllers on either side of the 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Playing games with the most powerful CPU is like racing with a 1,600 brake horsepower sports car. The experience is surreal. The 11th generation of Tiger Lake U processor features a 12M L3 cache, 4.8 GHz turbo frequency, 4-core, and 8-thread. The world's best performing CPU makes sure you rule all kinds of video games and boost performance in every possible way. With Intel Iris Xe graphics, 16 GB RAM, and 2 TB storage, OneXPlayer can handle many of the latest PC games. By cramming a decent laptop into a device small enough to hold in your hands, the OneNetbook manages to create a gaming device you can take with you to play anywhere. Designed for gaming, you could be confident playing a new 3D game that puts a huge load on your computer's CPU and GPU in about 2 to 3 hours of battery life. Number 2. Nintendo Switch OLED. Nintendo Switch OLED is not a major upgrade for current Switch owners. But if you haven't invested in Nintendo's hybrid handheld yet, OLED is the model of choice. This version of the Switch features a 7-inch OLED screen, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, a rugged stand, upgraded speakers, and a dock with a built-in Ethernet port. Other than that, it's the same as the base Switch. This makes it a great console thanks to its extensive game library, the battery life is approximately up to 8 hours, and smart portable features. To be honest, Switch OLED still has some drawbacks. With no SSD storage or 4K support, the system feels a bit outdated. With a console life of 4 years, we may get a more significant upgrade sooner rather than later. But if you want to play the latest Mario, Metroid, and Zelda games, the Switch OLED is the best way to do so. Number 1. Steam Deck. Valve got into the handheld gaming business. A handheld that can play your favorite games from your Steam library. It aims to be a Nintendo Switch for PC gaming, although the Steam Deck can do a lot more than just play games. That's because it's not a gaming console, it's a very versatile portable PC. You can connect it to a monitor or smart TV, install your favorite apps and software, watch the streaming video anywhere, and more. Partnered with AMD to create Steam Deck's custom APU, the most important thing to note for PC gamers is that the Steam Deck runs on an AMD APU and that we haven't seen anywhere else. The chip is built around two of AMD main architectures, Zen 2 and RDNA 2. As you've already seen from the memes, the Steam Deck is pretty massive. It's 11.7-inch from end to end, which is more than 2 inches longer than a Switch, and at 1.5 pounds it's quite a bit heavier. The LCD screen runs at HD resolution at 60 Hz and it looks really good. We have no complaints about the resolution. Its battery life can vary wildly. Valve says to expect anything between 2 and 8 hours. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.